Today, we will explore the top side hustles of 2025 that are likely to thrive in an ever-changing world. With the rapid growth of technology and an evolving economy, side hustles have become an integral part of people's financial strategies. In 2025, they will continue to evolve with exciting new trends and opportunities. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or turn your side hustle into a full-time venture, there are plenty of opportunities waiting for you. Point 1. E-commerce and dropshipping. In the digital age, e-commerce has been booming, and by 2025, it will continue to shape the retail landscape. E-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy offer accessible tools to entrepreneurs who want to start their online businesses without much upfront cost. One of the most popular methods is dropshipping, where entrepreneurs sell products without holding inventory. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. The beauty of dropshipping is its simplicity. You don't need to worry about warehousing, packaging, or managing stock. Your primary responsibility is marketing and customer service. However, success in dropshipping requires finding a niche market, whether that's custom jewelry, eco-friendly products, or high-tech gadgets. By 2025, consumers will continue to seek out unique, personalized products, so niche dropshipping could be highly profitable. It's also essential to stay on top of digital marketing trends. The demand for specific goods is constantly shifting. Leveraging SEO, social media marketing, and influencer collaborations can greatly expand your reach. The online marketplace will become even more competitive, so businesses that offer exceptional customer service, unique products, and seamless user experiences will stand out. Content creation. Content creation has evolved into one of the most lucrative side hustles in recent years, and it's only going to grow in 2025. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and podcasts gaining increasing attention, anyone with a talent for storytelling or teaching can find an audience. Whether it's providing tutorials, entertainment, or discussions on current events, there are endless opportunities for creators in 2025. YouTube will continue to be a major platform for video content, with users flocking to tutorials, lifestyle channels, and vlogs. TikTok will continue to capture the attention of a younger audience, with its short-form, viral video format. Meanwhile, podcasts will thrive as people seek to consume information and entertainment on the go. The key to success in content creation lies in carving out your own niche. The more specific you are, the better you can target an audience. For example, instead of starting a general cooking channel, you could focus on vegan recipes, fast meals, or world cuisine. The specificity of your niche will help attract a loyal community who shares your passion. Monetizing content is easier than ever with the rise of sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and fan donations through platforms like Patreon. By 2025, more creators will be able to turn their passion projects into full-fledged businesses. For this to happen, it's crucial to engage with your followers, create consistent content, and continuously adapt to platform algorithms. Freelance graphic design and digital art. If you have a creative side, freelance graphic design and digital art will be one of the top side hustles to consider in 2025. With businesses and individuals constantly looking for eye-catching designs, there's an ever-growing demand for talented graphic designers. Whether you specialize in logos, website design, illustrations, or social media graphics, there is no shortage of opportunities. The freelancing industry is expected to grow substantially in 2025 as companies increasingly outsource their design needs to talented individuals rather than hiring in-house teams. By leveraging platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or 99 Designs, you can connect with potential clients and showcase your portfolio. Specializing in specific design styles such as vintage, minimalist, or 3D design will help you stand out in the competitive field. The beauty of freelance design is that it's highly flexible. You can work on projects from home, collaborate with clients from around the world, and set your own rates. The rise of remote work also means that businesses no longer need to be based in the same city or country as you. Whether you're designing for a startup or a large corporation, graphic design will remain a thriving field. Point 4. Virtual assistants and online admin work. The rise of remote work has increased the demand for virtual assistants, and by 2025, this trend will continue to grow. Virtual assistants are remote workers who help businesses with administrative tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling customer inquiries. Many entrepreneurs, small business owners, and professionals rely on VAs to free up their time and focus on high-priority tasks. If you're organized, efficient, and enjoy problem-solving, becoming a virtual assistant could be an ideal side hustle. By 2025, more businesses will be operating online, which means the demand for virtual assistants will only continue to increase. VAs may also take on specialized tasks, including social media management, project management, or even event planning. Getting started is relatively easy, as you don't need to invest in much beyond a good internet connection and some basic software. You can advertise your services on freelance websites like Upwork and Fiverr, or reach out directly to businesses that may need help. As you gain more experience and build a reputation, you can gradually increase your rates and expand your services. Online tutoring and teaching. Online tutoring is expected to continue growing rapidly in 2025. With the pandemic bringing virtual learning into the mainstream, more students and learners are turning to online tutors for assistance in a wide range of subjects. From K-12 education to college prep and professional skills development, the opportunities in online tutoring are vast. In 2025, the online education market will be more diverse, covering everything from traditional academic subjects to niche areas like coding, digital marketing, and language learning. Websites like Chegg, VIPKid, and Wizant already offer platforms for tutors, but it's possible to build a successful online tutoring business independently. If you have a passion for teaching, consider becoming an expert in a specific area. In addition to academic tutoring, there is a growing demand for lessons in fields like personal finance, career development, and even mindfulness. By 2025, the concept of personalized education will take off, and niche tutoring services will flourish. 6. Digital marketing and social media management. As businesses continue to increase their digital footprint, digital marketing and social media management will remain highly in demand in 2025. From running ad campaigns to creating content strategies and managing social media accounts, the role of a digital marketer has become indispensable for businesses seeking to reach their target audience. Social media platforms are continually evolving, which presents opportunities for marketing professionals to implement new strategies. In 2025, platforms like TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube will be central to online marketing strategies. Brands will rely heavily on content creators and influencers to push their products, making this a lucrative opportunity for those skilled in creating content and managing online communities. If you're skilled in digital marketing, SEO, and data analysis, you can start your own digital marketing business or work as a freelancer. The demand for social media managers will also continue to grow, as small and medium-sized businesses seek to leverage social media to drive sales and engagement. Online courses and coaching. In 2025, online courses and coaching will remain popular side hustles. With the explosion of online learning platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare, creating and selling your own courses is easier than ever. If you have expertise in a particular subject, whether it's photography, business, fitness, or even life coaching, creating a course can generate passive income. Creating an online course doesn't have to be difficult. You can create videos, written content, or a mix of both. To succeed, focus on providing high-value content that solves a specific problem or teaches a valuable skill. Whether it's offering career advice, teaching how to code, or helping people improve their writing, there's a wide variety of subjects that can be monetized through online courses. Additionally, coaching has gained popularity as individuals seek personal and professional development. Whether it's career coaching, wellness coaching, or even executive coaching, many people are turning to experts to help them achieve their goals. With the rise of virtual consultations and digital communication, coaching can be done remotely, making it a perfect side hustle in 2025. Real estate investment and property management. Real estate investment will continue to be a profitable side hustle in 2025, especially with the rise of short-term rental platforms like Airbnb. If you have the capital to invest, buying rental properties or becoming a landlord can generate significant income. Alternatively, flipping houses for a profit remains a popular strategy for those looking to get involved in real estate. Additionally, property management is another avenue to explore. With so many people now renting homes and apartments, property management services are in high demand. Whether you're managing short-term rentals or long-term tenants, this can be a lucrative and flexible side hustle. For those who may not have the funds to purchase property, real estate investment trusts, REITs, offer an alternative. REITs allow individuals to invest in real estate without actually owning physical properties. By 2025, REITs will be a more accessible way for people to invest in the real estate market, with even smaller investors taking part in larger commercial properties. Building a personal brand. In today's digital era, building a personal brand is more than just creating a memorable name. It's about showcasing your unique skills, values, and story to the world. As technology reshapes the way we connect and communicate, establishing a strong personal brand becomes essential for standing out in the crowded online space. By leveraging social media, content creation, and digital marketing strategies, you can create a consistent and authentic image that resonates with your audience. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or professional looking to advance your career, 2025 offers endless opportunities to highlight your expertise and build a network that supports your growth. With the right approach, Your personal brand can open doors to new partnerships, clients, and career opportunities in an ever-evolving digital landscape. 2025 will be the perfect time to start the personal branding. Point 10. App and software development. The demand for custom apps and software will continue to skyrocket in 2025. Whether it's building apps for businesses, creating mobile games, or developing software for specific industries, the tech space will continue to evolve. In particular, mobile apps will remain one of the top ways to reach consumers, and software developers who can provide unique solutions will be in high demand. In 2025, businesses will increasingly turn to software developers to streamline their operations, improve customer experiences, and create specialized tools. If you have a background in coding, this is an ideal time to tap into this growing market. As we move into 2025, the opportunities for side hustles are more diverse and abundant than ever. With the rise of remote work, technology, and shifting consumer behaviors, the most successful hustlers will be those who can adapt quickly, find their niche, and build a strong online presence. Whether you're starting an e-commerce store, creating content, providing digital marketing services, or offering eco-friendly solutions, the future of side hustles looks bright. With the right strategy, work ethic, and passion, your side hustle could not only supplement your income, it could become your primary source of revenue. The world is changing rapidly, and those who embrace these changes will be in the perfect position to succeed. So, start today, take action, and watch your hustle transform into something extraordinary. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. For more videos like this, make sure to check out our other videos on the channel. Please drop your thoughts, suggestions, or any questions you have in the comments below. By subscribing, you'll get updates on all our new videos and never miss out on the latest tips and trends. If you found something useful in this video, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.